All right, the burner is installed as well as the natural gas line and the thermocouple. So hooked all that back up as well as the burner tube for the, I'm assuming, the air. I have to double check on that one. But in any case, hooked everything up the same way that it was when I took it apart. That's why I always take pictures to make sure everything is in line. So now I need to turn on the gas, make sure I don't smell any leaks anywhere. And then once that is good to go, then get to start everything up. So, moment of truth coming up. All right, stay tuned. All right, before I forgot, wanted to make sure I screwed in the B vent. Wasn't sure how to do that at first because the screws were so short that they weren't actually penetrating. But in this case, I grabbed one of my self-tapping screws and I use that as my starter screw. So that did the trick. And as you can see, everything is all screwed up now. In a good way, screwed up in a good way. So now I'm looking forward to turning everything on and seeing how everything fares. All right, here we go.